Downhill though, man, that's just another feeling. I didn't like it. I had to let up on my rear.